everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. We are here for today to do a new vlog, and for this vlog another unboxing of this carton of the box. So not much inside, but I just want to share with you what is inside of this box. So we can do unboxing. My husband ordered in Amazon. Because our vacuum cleaner, it's broken, so we bought another vacuum. The name of the vacuum is Cordless vacuum cleaner. Another one, another color. So this is for vacuum for couch, tapito, carpet, and also the table. So this is the vacuum, new one. And then I will open. Let's check. And this is new one, and there is a light. No, there is a light. This is a vacuum. It's what's the name of this one? Cordless vacuum cleaner. So let's check. Let's check here. There's a lot of accessories of this vacuum. This is the accessories. And this is the charger of this vacuum, adapter charger. And this is another accessories for the vacuum, like a brush. And this is the vacuum. Charot. And there is another one, accessories. It's like a tube for accessories for the vacuum. And we have also a manual for reading how to mount this vacuum. And there's another small brush, and this is the manual. The name of this one is Vaclife. So this is the manual. So I will not. Oh, there's another chichibulichin there. Okay, and let's check the vacuum. And this is the vacuum, guys. There you go. We have new vacuum. It was very useful, this one. So I think to mount this one is we will put like this. This is the tube. For other side, this one's go. And something like this. Baliktad. Something like this. And then we have also a brush. This is for the brush. So I will not do it because my husband will be the one to do it, this one. So this is the vacuum, black and maroon color. And this is the box. And another one for unboxing is, what's the name of this one? In English. This is the one. This is for blocking the window when it's windy. So it gotta be blocked. The name of this one is Tapi. To block the window, because sometimes here in Italy it's very windy. It's always bump our window. So we buy to block our window when it's windy. So as you can see, guys, I open. So this one, and the form of this one is to do like this on the window, so make sure the window will not be bumped. So 4 pieces of this blocking of the window. And yeah, I'm excited to use the new vacuum and this one. And I don't know how to put this one. My husband knows because he's the one expert. So thank you, guys. That's it for our unboxing here for today on Amazon. And I hope you enjoy watching my new content vlog of my YouTube channel. And don't forget to like and share and subscribe my YouTube of MG Babes. Thank you and God bless you.